We like everybody, in order to have longevity and better life, may be able to move, and we like to keep the best of our senses. See well, see better, listen better, smell better, and we like to have 120 year olds and be easy to do, to go and come. How to do it? We'll see it in 5 video. Well, welcome to Objectif Santé, your well-being channel, which will help you to fight against every kind of sickness. And we like to live better and achieve 120 year olds. Our cells are programmed to function during 120 years old at least. To fight death before that is not the result of our Lord. I'm Dr. Nati. I'm going to teach you the law, the method. When you will practice them, will know them and do them, you will live a long time. And when you follow the advice, and will know the astuce to have the better functioning of our cells. We are a machine, read your notice, and the better method to read your notice is to subscribe in Objectif Santé de Dr. Nature. If you remember, you are going to practice everything and to do it, and that will be your behaviors for a long time, and you will live a long time also. So, in the last video, I teach you the 5 conditions of longevity. Eat well. You may take something outside to eat, and your choice depends on you. Second, you may rest in order to let your organism fix himself. And third, we are going to know right now how to do to get out of all the sickness, the pernicious seizures. Let's go to that video to come back. Here is a fire, and the fire appears in our life. And that fire appears in our life with several kinds of sickness. But we lived a long time before that fire, and we didn't know the civilization disease. So the first attitude we may have right now, go to your kitchen and turn off the fire. We may be able to live without fires. The fire appears in our life and come with a lot of sickness, this pernicious sickness. So, to live a long time, the first condition is to turn off your fire. And after turning off that fire, the fire which kills, the fire which destroys us, we are going to look for the best food for us, human being. Okay, let's go step by step. Here is an animal. This is a chicken. the chicken is our food, we may be able to bake the flesh of that chicken and drink his blood. If it isn't possible that to say meat isn't our food, meat isn't our best food, we can eat it. You can add it in our food, but we may know right now that chicken meat isn't our food. Meat is for carnivorous. Only carnivorous can be eat meat. So we can eat it, but we add him in our food. Human beings are different from carnivorous. Carnivorous has strong kidney. They are able to digest animal protein. But we human beings have a lot of difficulty to digest animal protein. They can't destroy our kidney and will achieve sickness, bad signal. We are able to destroy us. So may retain that meat isn't our food, it isn't our bad food, because you need to kill it before in the fire in order to eat. Here is the second. The second is tubers. Here we have tubers. If tubers is for us, we may be able to eat it directly. We are going before kill it in the fire before eating it. Tubers is for carnivorous. Actually, right now that yam, we may be able to eat it directly. If you cannot do it, so yam isn't our best food. The carnivorous are able to eat directly the yam and go have a rest under the fruit because it's their food. We eat potatoes, we eat bananas, we eat cassava, but there isn't our best food. The tubers are for herbivores. Here, the first step is rice, millet, corn. That cereal are for birds. If you want to eat, for instance, yam or rice, we may take it in, go in our chicken, cook it before, kill it before eating it. The granivorous are able to eat it directly because the cereal are for granivorous. We add him in our food, but it may not be our mind cursed. Near that, we have vegetable. That's a cabbage. Here is carrot. That lettuce. That vegetable, we are able to eat it directly. We only add some ingredients, lemons and zest, and we will eat them directly. Here is the advantage. We won't take lettuce, go in your chicken, put them in the fire before eating them. We are going to eat directly our lettuce, and we have all nutrients in the lettuce because we don't kill it with the fires. Near that, who will have just come, the newcomer, I'll advise you to click to subscribe and click in the bell in order to have the new video. And I want you to give your point of view in our comments that will help me to improve myself. And the last part here is the fruit. And the fruits are from grass and trees. Here is pineapple, apple, and banana. Those are examples. Every human being are able to eat directly bananas. They don't want to go before in the chicken, kill him in the fire before eating, because the fruits are the best food for we human beings. Ladies and gentlemen, you will like to live a long time. You like to have 120 years old at least. We may have the fruit and vegetable like your best foods. That there are healthy foods when you eat fruit and vegetable, you will achieve 120 years old at least. So we will you know how to eat. You eat very well. We eat vegetables and fruits, but we use our machine. Our organism is a machine, and our machine have to digest our food and take the nutrient, the best nutrient to food our food. And our organism need to get out of the washed. What are the wash? We human beings have five emunctories, and the emunctory help us to get out of the bad things. First, our stomach. After eating, after having, your organs will select the nutrient, the best nutrient, and the stay will get out of food by washed. Second, your kidney. After eating, the toxin, the living toxin will get out of you by your kidney. First, your skin. You may perspirate. During your perspiration, you will get out of you the sickness, the pernicious disease by your sweat. And, and the first is our length. When you breathe, you get out of you the pernicious, the sickness thing by your earth. In the last test, we have our women, which are in childbearing age, need to fix their organism in order to have children, and do it in menstruations. We are going to see the impact of fast on us, and we come back. Our organism is a machine. It needs to fix itself. To do it, our organism needs to have a rest. You may take a vacation for your organism. When you don't eat, your organism will himself repair, fix himself. What will arrive exactly? When you fast, for instance, the muscle, you eat about 4 a.m. 4 hours after you finish your digest. So your cells, your defense cells will go around all your organism, all your machine, and look for the strange things, the foreign thing in your cells, and will take them out of, will eat them, will phagocytose them. After that, your disease cells, your broken cells will be eaten by the strong cells the young cells in the second step. The third step is to get out of you the toxin, the pernicious toxin, and the disease we was setting himself perniciously in your sept. After cleaning your organism, after cleaning your cells, after getting out of you the toxin, your organs will begin the step of remove himself in the step of mitosis. So in the step of mitosis, our organs will renew himself. So during your fast, your organisms are able to get out of you the dust. Your organisms are able to clean your machine. Your organisms are able to repair and fix himself, and you in the frame of your during you will be new persons. That the second step in order to achieve longevity. So during your fast, your organism himself will fix himself. So there are the first steps in order to have longevity is to destroy the toxin which refuses to get out of you during your fasting. So you may participate actively. To do it, we may exercise. So in the future video, I will show you, I will propose you a lot of exercise you will find on among them, and you will practice them. When our Almighty said, you will eat by your sweat, that means that perspiration is also important in our life. So we are going to explain you how to do in order to perspirate all the time, at least 20 minutes a day. That will help you to clean your machine. That will help you to clean your fix. But you may participate. You may exercise by yourself. You yourself may do it. Right. Some jobs are very hard. For instance, who are working in the farmer work hard, so they can't do only their work and avoid exercise. But you who are in the city, we have air conditioning in your bedroom, we have air conditioning in your living room, we have air conditioning in your house, we have air conditioning in your car, we have air conditioning in your office. You need to exercise. You need to look for perspiration in order to get out of you the wash, the dead things, the toxin which are setting in your cells. So we are going to see several kinds of exercise. When you will do it, you will be able to achieve your subject. That's to have 120-year-old in that year at least. You can go there, but we may achieve right now the 120-year-old. So let's go in the future video see the different exercise. Thank you very much. So my goal is your healthy body. You may have an healthy body in order to have a happy body. Thank you very much and see you for the next video.